There's Scwaker, and he's got a worm, and he's gonna feed it to his babies, which are in the tree. Hi, Scwaker. Hello. Hello, Scwaker. Hello, pretty boy. Hi. Are you gonna go check on your babies? Go ahead. I just want to show Michael you taking care of your babies. Go on, Scwaker. Yeah, you're beautiful. You're my friend. Yes, you are. You're my friend. Yeah. Okay, pretty handsome, go take care of your babies. I want to show Michael. So he's going to go up into his nest, and he is going to take care of his baby. And there it is. He's feeding the young. Birds have to work really hard to feed their babies. Yeah. And Scwaker only lets me get this close when he's feeding his babies. He doesn't let anyone else get this close. Oh, here comes Gizmo to roll now. Alright, well that's the footage. Hope you enjoyed.